back to Always Learning. What are we doing today?
We are learning how to chop a tree down.
That's right. We're not learning how to safely chop a tree down. This is not a video on how to do it properly.
We are drinking seltzer water,
That's right.
not White Claws or beer.
That's right. This is just a video on how Tim and Tim are going to cut down the tree. We're basically going to come in. Now, if you want to save it, you're going to come in and you're going to cut a little tiny notch, and you're going to cut at the back, and it'll fall the way you notch it. Since we're not saving this tree, we're going to come in and we're going to cut a big cut up here, down to here. And what that does, that just keeps it from kicking back.
So we're going to drop it this way?
We're going to drop it right there.
That way. Okay.
Yep. And that's it, so stay tuned. It should be fun. I mean,
So
you might land on one of
I
them.
want to start here, right? Or like
Yes.
right there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. Well, thanks for watching. That's how you fall a tree. We went with efficiency once and safety third, I think is what we did. So thanks for watching.